Tai Chi means the grand ultimate. The grand ultimate refers to the two complementary forces called yin and yang, the ultimate forces of nature. We are all an expression of nature. When our behaviors complement nature, we are what we refer to as healthy, or in a state of ease. When our behaviors work against nature's principles, we are in a state of dis-ease. According to Chinese medicine, there are three basic components to the human system which must be managed to live a healthy life. They are called Jing, Qi, and Shen. Jing is body, Qi is energy, and Shen is mind. When these three components are functioning at their peak and in harmony with each other, a person experiences exuberant health. Body and mind will always have its limitations, simply because of the aging process and its intimate connection to the cycles of nature. The bodies and minds of nature decay and is reborn as with winter and spring, but the intelligence and energy of nature is infinite. Tai Chi helps us to attune ourselves to the energies of nature and helps us experience it in our body and minds, which awakens our inner intelligence and connects our energy to nature's infinite source. Tai Chi is a grand ultimate exercise for the body, mind, and energies. It is a health technology which combines the sciences of Chinese medicine, martial arts, energy work, and meditation. Tai Chi daily practice offers a simple, systematic regimen that brings us into balance with the forces of yin and yang, and therefore with nature and ourselves. I can't say what you're going to do with your life, but if your body, mind, and energies are full of vitality and are balanced in relationship to each other, we can say that whatever you do will be of a higher quality. Anything that will benefit the human system should be done daily. We eat daily, sleep daily, and bathe daily. Our body, mind, and energies are unfolding moment to moment for the rest of our lives. Like any sophisticated mechanism, the human mechanism, the greatest and most intelligent of all mechanisms, must be maintained to assure its performance and longevity. Tai Chi daily practice is an incredible tool that can help you develop your body, mind, and energies to their highest potential. The time to begin to take your health into your own hands is now. You're the most important person you know, to you and to your loved ones. So begin the daily practice of Tai Chi now, and begin to learn the simple, powerful techniques to bring exuberant health into your life. From my heart to yours.